Chapter 4. Let's learn Access 2013. In this chapter, we learn what is database, starting Access 2013, table structure, creating tables, entering records in the table, editing records in the table, editing fields in the table, editing the table structure, closing Access 2013. What is database? Database is an organized collection of related data values in such a way that they can be used to generate useful information which is necessary for the decision-making process. It is easy to maintain small database manually, but large database like the information related to functioning of various departments in an organization is not easy to store and process manually. An electronic database stored in the computer stores data effectively and helps to manipulate or retrieve it very quickly and accurately. The data in a database is stored in the form of table consisting of related rows and columns. Database management system. A computer-based application used to create, store and manipulate the database is called DBMS, Database Management System. It helps in quick retrieval of processed information from the large, complicated database. Some advantages of database management system are: database management is easy to learn and use. Database management software reduces data redundancy. Data redundancy means duplication of same data. Database management provides easy retrieval of data. Database management software are created for easy sharing of data. Database management reduces data inconsistency. It means when one file is updated, the same data in the another file is also updated by DBMS to keep data consistent in both the tables. Database management software provides data security. It ensures that the database is to be accessed with the proper permission and through proper channel. Some of the popular database management system software are Access, OpenOffice Base, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Sybase, etc. Access 2013. Access 2013 is a database component of Microsoft Office 2013 suite. It is one of the popular and most user-friendly RDBMS, Relational Database Management System, that allows to store the information in the form of multiple correlated tables. Database objects. The various objects of database are tables, queries, forms, reports. Tables. Tables are the basic components of a database management system. Information in a table stored in the form of columns called fields or attributes, and different entries of related fields values called records or tuples. An individual field of record is called data value or data item. It represents the smallest possible value stored in the database. Queries. Query is one of the database components which extracts or retrieves the specific information from one or more tables of the database that satisfy a criteria. Forms. This database component acts as a user interface to enter, edit, view or search the data stored in single or multiple tables. Reports. Report is used to present the data stored in the tables or queries in a printable format.